Chapter 3, Motion in a Straight Line. We have already discussed in our previous video about various kinds of distance or displacement time graph and velocity or speed time graph. Now let's study about acceleration time graph. We have studied that when we draw distance or displacement time graph, then the slope is speed or velocity. When we draw, it can be of various types, and when we draw graph between velocity and time, then the slope is acceleration. This also we have studied. Now if we draw graph of acceleration versus time, then the slope given is known as jerk. Let it be a constant acceleration. This is a constant acceleration here, and now the acceleration is going on decreasing or retardation. At this point it is 0, and after that it has some value. Now at this point we can see that the acceleration is not changing with time, that it is just constant, and the area covered under this acceleration time graph is change in velocity. This is jerk, or we can say that the slope of AT curve is rate of change of acceleration. That is, it is given by instantaneous acceleration. As we know that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. So with the help of this formula, we can find the area covered under this graph. That is, area is given as change in rate of change of velocity. Therefore, del V is equal to area into del T. Let us suppose here 5 meter per second square. Acceleration is given on y-axis. Then at 4 seconds the acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Therefore, we can write the velocity can be equal to 5 meter per second square into the change in time, that is 4 minus 0 is 4 second. So here we get change in velocity, that is the area covered, is 20 meter per second.